Go. Go, Jared.
What?
Go. Say hey, guys. It's recording.
Hey guys, today we're on another video. Today we're gonna be
Well, I'm gonna record this time.
Yeah, you're gonna be doing Legos. Do not show your face.
Yeah, I won't. Keep talking, bro.
Okay.
Do you like Legos? Do you like Legos?
Yes.
Okay.
I decided to do a face reveal like 3 months ago, but I changed my mind. People are gonna make fun of you.
Alright, how do I pause this? How do I pause this?
I don't know what. Apple is like special.
Okay, come here. Sit next to me. Sit
I
next
don't
to
know
me.
if you can pause.
Sit right here. Sit right here, Jared. Sit down. Before this turns into angry brother destroys everything like angry grandpa. Put that down. Come on, sit down.
Angry grandpa.
Okay, film that. No, film. That's. Keep it right there. Keep it right there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look. See, you see the legs?
Oh my god.
Boom, that fast.
But they can see your hands.
I don't care. Don't worry, they can't see. Look, my hands are hot. No, I'm joking. Look. Boom. Oh my god, he's so hot. No, he's ugly.
Oh yeah, come on.
Don't show them. That's too far, Jared. That's too far. Okay, here's the instruction guide. It's all broken up and stuff.
I'm zooming in right now. There it is, too. You need a long...
Oh, look, show them this.
White.
Show them this.
Oh, look at that.
Show them, show them me.
And a did.
Show
Fan.
what? I thought you said something bad. Come on. Show them me building.
Okay.
All right, look. Don't worry about that.
You need to add a yellow block. Okay.
Don't worry about that, bro. Some Faygo in the fridge, man. Does it look like I'm thirsty for Faygo? Yeah, keep it like that. You see? You get your yellow piece.
Whoa.
Boom. Ow, that fast. So hard. Boom. Stop it. Stop.
Okay.
You see? Why are you filming that? You're supposed to be filming this. You're the worst cameraman ever.
I'm not the worst cameraman.
Yeah, you are. You're supposed to be.
What are you doing?
Don't show me. Don't show me, bro. I'm going to start smashing shit. You don't stop. What?
Yeah, you're gonna start.
Don't say it. Don't fucking say it. I'm allowed to fucking swear if I fucking want.
Okay.
Come on, bro. This is a free country. I should be able to.
Am I gonna get banned if you swear?
No.
Sure.
If I hit, it's not for kids. Then no. If you put the video for kids, then you will. But if you type video not for kids, then you won't.
Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm about to.
I think Peppa's mad because I got homeschooled.
Don't tell them that.
I don't care.
Okay, I don't know. I'm not
I'm allowed
homeschooled.
to. Well, you need to go back.
Well,
You're younger and you have.
you sound a little mad. I'm about to change his channel name to Angry Brother.
Yeah, I am very mad now because you don't listen to me ever. But
Whoa, that's cool.
oh my god. Don't. Did you know I'm allowed to be homeschooled if I want. I know Peppa might be watching this, but
Oh gosh, he'll be very mad.
no.
There is the seat. There's the seat.
This is so fun. I love Legos.
Yeah.
Quit, if Jared, I swear. I'm
What?
gonna start smashing shit. Don't do that again, please.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now, one of these broke, so I hope it's still fine. It's this one.
One of them broke.
This one. I smashed the thing with my fist. Okay, it's still on.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Don't come in here. Don't film me, Jared. This is hard. This is a hard part right here.
I'm just gonna walk.
There, finally. Now these are kind of hard. Even I can't even do this part that easily. No, we're filming a video.
No, we're filming a
Look at that.
Hey, listen. Derek, you gotta be sweating. Here's
You're
your
embarrassing me right now.
Jared, I got shorts and pants for you.
George, stop.
Derek, you got
Mom,
me.
please, go.
George, shh. Everyone be quiet. Look. So you get the guy, and he say, "Fuck you." That's what he's saying. He runs away with his car. Now, don't film that way, bro. Keep filming down there. Keep filming down there. Okay, now
What's the screen thing?
you can get these blue motherfuckers. Don't worry about that. That's a piece of lettuce. It's not funny. It's stupid. You're supposed to be filming this. You're not filming this.
Okay.
Hey, look. Why aren't you filming? My leg's gonna dislocate. I could feel it.
Whoa.
Film
What
this.
thing are you? I am
Don't scream at me.
I am building. I am filming it.
Don't scream at me. What do you want?
Did you hear me?
What?
The door swelled up. That's how hot it is. When the door
Hey,
swells
look.
up like that, Derek.
You see these little shits in there? Looks like a big line of shit.
It does.
I hope they didn't see my face. Jared, you're so trash at building Legos.
They have to you can open that up.
Don't film my fat feet either. Where's the other thing? Where's the other bag?
You're not.
Look. Watch. Just watch. Don't worry about that. Alright, you build this guy. Why? You're supposed to be... Film right here, bro. Film there. Keep it there the whole time.
So I just have to keep it like
Oh my god. Get it up now.
I just have to
Hey,
do
look.
this.
See?
Yeah, I see that. Oh, nice Lego man.
Alright, now.
Oh, no.
You're gay. Can you get your...
Okay, I'm just kidding.
Alright. Do it like that, okay? See this?
I see.
Oh, wrong part.
Oh, wrong part.
Boom. Bop.
Also, you're not fat, and you don't have a fat food.
You're not even filming it. Oh my god. You
Yes,
are.
I am.
You're actually the worst cameraman I've ever seen in my life.
No.
Alright, you get another one of these fat white guy. Not white. Yellow. I'm not racist to white people because I am a white person.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, you see that? Bro, quit touching. It's not done yet. You're gonna break it.
What am I doing?
You're so strong. I'm scared. Nah, I'm joking. You're weak. Okay, look. See this? Don't.
See what?
Look.
Oh.
Boom! 2 for 1, baby. Adam Cole, baby. No, bro, quit zooming in. Just stay there. Okay, look. You get them yellow pieces.
Okay.
Boom! That fast. I'm fast as F.
Say it.
Satan?
Say.
You know what Satan is? Satan is the devil. And he is gonna come and get you, bro. You're not filming again! How
I
long?
am filming it.
You're not filming it right here. Me building.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
not gonna come get me.
Boom.
Is that to see the speed?
Boom.
Oh, that's the speed. Okay.
Boom. Look like it. You know what? Okay, boom. Now, that fast. Oh my god,
Oh,
man.
that's cool. Think it's done?
No,
No.
obviously not.
Whoa, that looks cool.
Jared, leave that alone. Leave that alone. Watch this.
Come on.
Filming this though. You're filming that. You're filming the ground. Watch this.
Your hand is in the way.
Oh god, don't bother us, please. Don't put the thing up, Jared.
I'm going to talk to Jared, see how his day was.
Huh?
I want to see how Jared's day was.
Huh?
I want to see how Jared's day was.
It was horrible. I'm just kidding. We've been recording it for
We'll
9
talk about that.
We've been recording.
Come on, record this. We're recording a video right now. Did you know that?
We've been now
Yeah.
recording. We've been now recording for 10 minutes.
I was recording you last night, Dada.
Uh,
Everyone's gonna see you.
uh,
People are gonna see you.
I see.
All 12 of Jaren's subscribers are gonna see you.
More than I got.
I don't have 12 subscribers.
I know, he has 7. You're not filming me again. How many times is that? That's
I
like,
found this old it was a record at the time, Derek. This band I liked it from 1980. 81.
yeah,
Oh my god,
There's only 2
everybody.
people in the world who like
Leave
maybe
us
somebody else.
alone.
really?
This is the worst thing.
Come on, Jared. Record this, please.
I can't.
See that? That red ass motherfucker. And you know Peppa's probably.
He's in
Peppa's
there.
gonna
He's
probably.
freaking out about that. I told him
No, Mom.
He's gonna watch this, Dada. He's gonna hear us all. Did you hear me?
Okay.
Yeah.
He's gonna
You
watch
can
this.
go
He's gonna
now.
watch his own.
So make sure he's talking about how we're going now.
Howdy. He's probably watching this. You know that, right?
He can't watch it.
When we upload it, he can. He's gonna see it, Dada. You know that, right?
Yeah.
He's gonna hear what you said. No, he's not. Mommy
I told
does.
the church they're gonna stay so this.
Are
Oh
you
shit.
done now?
What?
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't have
I brought one for them and one for the other.
Oh my god, all of you, get out!
I
Watch.
was out there. I'm doing my stuff.
Oh my god, I
I
don't
told him
want
you was in here.
This is why I don't want to hear this kind of noise.
Hey, look, Jared, look.
I said either.
See this? Look. You put all these motherfuckers in.
And then, okay, yes. Now we have
You put all those.
peace. Now we have peace. Never mind, we don't have peace.
You put all those in, and you spin it around, because it's concrete.
So you just,
See? Now it's done that fast.
you just spin it around like.
Stop! Bro! Okay, end it. I'm mad at you now.
What?
Nope. End it,
No,
bro.
come on.
I'm gonna record another one.
No, no,
End
no,
it,
no,
end
no,
it.
please.
End it!
Please.
Bro, end it!